how do you solve a problem that seems impossible to calculate, like predicting the wait time at a new coffee shop before it even opens, or estimating the value of pi by just throwing darts at a wall? The answer lies in a powerful mathematical tool: simulation. At its heart, simulation is about using computer-generated randomness to understand systems filled with uncertainty. Think about rolling a single die. The outcome is random. But what if you simulate rolling it 10,000 times? Suddenly, a clear pattern emerges. You'd get a 6 roughly 1/6 of the time. This is the law of large numbers in action, and it's the engine behind the famous Monte Carlo method. The Monte Carlo method is essentially a strategy of repeated random sampling to get numerical results. You define a problem, generate random inputs, calculate the outcome, and repeat thousands of times. That wild idea of estimating pi? It actually works. By randomly plotting points in a square that contains a quarter circle, the ratio of points that land inside the circle gives you a surprisingly accurate estimate of pi. The more points you plot, the closer you get. This isn't just a mathematical party trick. This same principle is used everywhere. Financial analysts use it to model stock market risks. Engineers simulate customer queues to design efficient service systems. Project managers simulate timelines to predict delays. From inventory management to complex risk analysis, simulation acts as a digital laboratory. It allows us to run countless experiments in a virtual world, testing hypotheses and exploring scenarios without real-world consequences. It's a way to find clarity in chaos, turning randomness into reliable answers.